Okay, so that last pour I did, I just loved. So I have got to do one more. I'm going to mix up a little bit more orange because I didn't have a lot of orange. And it was just phenomenal. So I'm mixing up another batch of orange. 1 pump of OGX, not a pump, just a drop. It takes 1 drop for any size of cup of color of paint. You don't need a lot. So I'm going to do another dirty pour, black, and copper, gold, this rusty brown, red, and I'm trying to drop it in from up high, orange, coral, maybe another shot of gold. I'm going to do another shot of brown, but I've got way too much paint already. So instead of flipping it, I just kind of threw it on the canvas. So I just did that again like I did before, where I go off the canvas. So you lose that beautiful paint by overshooting, so to speak. So I'm just going to add these back. Now this one had more orange. I'm going to go right through that a bit. Just popping bubbles. They're all brands of paint, 1-to-1 mixed with Floetrol. Then you add water if it's a tube paint, and you add no water if it's just a craft bottle paint. I think I'll go this way first. But I don't want to lose that beautiful stuff going on. So I'm going to take it this way. So I guess I'll have to deal with the orange. The orange kind of reared its head, which happens sometimes. Orange and green. They're very strong personalities. So I'm just going to put a little paint there where it's missing. Sometimes you just really get a great pour one time, and then that's all you're going to get is a great pour one time, and the next time it's not going to look anything like it. But this is still nice. So raise it up to you there. It's got some personality. It would have been prettier if some red or that brown had kind of mixed in with the orange a bit and not just been straight orange. But there it is. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bottom bell on the right corner for notifications when I post new videos. Check out all the links below the video for Amazon and PayPal, Patreon, Facebook, my new e-course, online tutorials to learn how to paint with acrylics, flowers and birds and fish and all kinds of wonderful stuff. So I will see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.